Welcome to Cryptolandia, a series from Steps to Invest where I'll bring to you one cryptocurrency per episode. So this is the first one, so we'll start with Bitcoin, the top cryptocurrency. So why Bitcoin? When can we buy it? How can we buy it? So why Bitcoin? Why the price keep going up and down? This is due to the limited supply. There will only ever exist 21 million Bitcoins. So currently in 2021, around about 19 million Bitcoins have been created, mined, and the last one is projected to be mined in 2140, so in 119 years from now. So hence, there's a limited amount of Bitcoin that will ever exist. That drives the prices to go up and down, depending on the demand. More people want to buy it, the higher the price will go. Less people are interested in Bitcoin, start to sell, the price will go down. So when is the best time to buy it? Now that is the $1 million question, but if you were to buy it today, when it's at $60,000, people are projecting the prices to reach 120,000 to 200,000 pounds per Bitcoin. So if you were to buy it now, maybe you could reach 100% of profit, as well as you could lose 50%, because the price have been going up since 2020 when it was at $3,500 to $60,000. So it's likely that there will be a correction eventually. So be sure not to invest all in, because you may face a massive correction for a low return that cryptocurrencies can bring more than 100%. Now, how can you buy Bitcoin? It's much easier now than it was in 2017, because you have many platforms. You have Binance, Bittrex, you have Crypto.com, and many more. It's so easy now that you can actually pay using a credit card or debit card, and the money and the cryptocurrency goes straight into your account. Very easy. So if you don't know where to go to buy it, drop a comment here saying I want to buy, and I'll share some list of options where I buy my Bitcoin. So that's the number one episode, Bitcoin. Stay tuned for the next episode, which likely will be Ethereum.